bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat. Once you hit a revving on the engine, you know what that means. Red car, yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat. Once you hit a revving on the engine, you know what that means.
Alright guys, so this is the box here. It's the way the box came. Just like that. And then inside the box, you had the styrofoam, one each corner, and then it was inside that like styrofoam kind of like bag. It's the way it was packaged. I just already kind of had taken it out the box, so it's an unboxing, but not unboxing, you know. But that's the box. Box weighed 15 pounds. All right, y'all. So you got your 2 tins up top, and your 2 tins down bottom, right at your sump. Then you got your filler lid, filler cap, which is easy to pop open. Open it, close it. Close is easy. I like the lid. Then of course this one has the fuel sender, level sender. It's the 10 gallons, so I think that's the 40 liters. Only thing I can say that, and that's a personal preference, is I'm not too sure. It's that shiny black. I would like it better if it was more of a matte finish to it or something like that. You know, seeing as how to be back in the bed of the truck, I feel like it would match better. Or maybe I'll paint like some yellow on the top, so then it's black on the sides and yellow on the top, so then it'll match the box I made for the nitrous. So really, as you see, it's not too much to it, you know. It's just your basic fuel cell, but I hadn't seen any unboxings or anything from a DNA motoring one, so I figured I would put one out. I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed. Other than, you know, just at first glance, it seemed like it's gonna be straight, like it's okay. So I'm gonna get it in, get some fluid in there, make sure there's definitely no leakage or, you know, anything like that. Sorry guys, the video is getting bad. Sorry about that. But yeah, just that's it. All right, y'all walk with me. Peace.
Red car, yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the